Hello, everybody from Red Spike Recording Studio, Utica, New York. Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
We'd like to apologize about our last video, but Clem thinks the Lightning took out our mid-range amp.
Yeah, it didn't sound right.
4 speakers out in the center. So, guys, want to try it again?
Sure, let's do it.
All right. Listen to the rhythm of the falling rain, telling me just what a fool I've been. I wish that it would go and let me cry in vain, and let me be alone again. The only girl I care about is gone away, looking for a brand new start. But little does she know that when she left that day, along with her she took my heart. Rain, please tell me now, does that seem fair? For her to steal my heart away when she don't care. I can't love another when my heart's somewhere far away. The only girl I care